What is that dot near my mouth? Here? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see anything. There's nothing there. Okay? There's nothing there at all. Hello, welcome back. Today we're testing out the brand new to me. It came out like 3 months ago, beginning of the summer, and now it's like beginning of fall, and here we are testing it. But what's new? There are like 1,000 things released every day, it seems. So this is the new Bare Look Skin Tint Foundation by YSL Beauty. It has a 4.5 out of 5 stars rating on Sephora website with 890 reviews. Now that I'm looking for some sheer coverage, something very natural looking, this is like the perfect thing for me to test out. That's just to show how you don't need to keep up with all the releases. You just need to look for things that works for you at a specific time. I'm going on a hike soon, hence the colorful sporty look. We're going to put it on to the test, and at the end of the night I'm going to come back and tell you how it does. This is retailing for $38. There are 20 shades. It has 1 ounce of product or 30 ml size. It's in a squeezy tube. Very standard, very nice, easy to use packaging. Looks like the color range is not the best. It goes pretty deep. The shade 20 is the deep shade with cool undertone. It's not super deep though, but it's a sheer coverage. It's a lightweight skin tint with hyaluronic acid and beautiful light to medium coverage for a fresh, dewy complexion. Hyaluronic acid, which plumps and moisturizes the skin, glycerin, which traps moisture and hydrates the skin, and mallow, which visibly brightens the skin. This flexible, multitasking skin tint has a water cream texture for up to 24 hours hydration and leaves skin with naturally enhanced with a radiant finish. The tubes is made out of 30% post-consumer recycled material. Very nice. Zoom you in. There we go. We are ready. I currently only have skincare and sunscreen on my skin. I have some lip and eye going on, but beside that, the complexion is bare. And some of my skin concern right now, there is no dot to cover at all, to test the coverage of this product at all. Okay, there's nothing, but there is some redness going on. You see, it's pretty typical for me. I do have some texture. My forehead is kind of darker than the rest of my face, and I have some dark circles, so that's my concern. Tiny sample of the shade number 9, which is a medium with warm undertone. I like how they lay out the colors, and every color looks very clearly different. So immediately I picked this color and I knew it would work for my skin tone. It's kind of have that olive undertone going on, so we will test it out right now. Pretty thick consistency is not what I expected. I thought it was gonna be like the MAC Face and Body or the Light Wonder by Charlotte Tilbury, where it has kind of like a watery texture, but this one has a thicker like cream texture. So let's put it on this interesting side. I use quite a bit, so maybe that's more than I need, but I'm just gonna use my finger since this is supposed to be a tint. So it is immediately different from like MAC Face and Body or the Glossier skin tint. This has some nice coverage already. Let's see if it covers more of this. And it does, yeah. This color is slightly darker than my face, but I think it makes me look very healthy, so I'm not upset by any mean. I'm happy with it. It does have coverage. You can see my dark circle is clearly better. My skin is a lot more even out. The redness around my nose is minimized, and it's very hydrating. It feels so creamy to the touch, and it's so comfortable. It doesn't feel thick. It doesn't feel like I have anything on at all. It just kind of feel like the same on both sides. To be honest, it's so lightweight, even though it's a cream formula. Now I will put it on the rest of my face. Usually when I use my finger to blend foundation out, whether it is a light coverage foundation or anything, it tends to bunch up weirdly. It dries out too fast and then it's hard to blend out. But this one blends out perfectly. The MAC Face and Body or the Glossier Skin Tint, they don't have any coverage. It's almost just like a glow, like a gloss put all over your face, and I don't really like that. This one has some coverage and it's so creamy, so comfortable, so lightweight, blends out beautifully everywhere on my skin. It just kind of blurs things out and makes everything looks a lot more even. Maybe I'll just do a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Setting Powder on my T-zone just because I'm gonna be hiking. I don't want to be sweaty and have it melt everywhere. Yeah, I would say it looks really, really nice. Now it is currently 11 o'clock in the morning. I will see you in an unknown amount of time and we will give a verdict. It is currently 6 o'clock in the evening, so it has been 7 hours since this skin tint was put on my skin. For a skin tint, it's not too shiny at all. I don't see that I'm losing coverage anywhere. I don't see the color gets darker or oxidized, in other words. Throughout the day, I keep catching myself looking into the mirror and thinking, wow, my skin looks beautiful and healthy and natural and plump, which are the claims that they make. Like it has all of these hydrating ingredients that are supposed to provide 24 hours worth of hydration and makes your skin appear plumper and beautiful. If you have dry skin, this product will be your best friend. If you have normal skin, combination skin, great. Although for oily skin, because of how hydrating it is, your oily skin produce more oil because you try to dry it out too much. You try to put all these matte product in and your skin produce extra oil to compensate for the fact that you put more drying product on your face. So I think that's why my skin is so happy with it. It does look kind of shiny, of course, but it feels so good and it's so lightweight and it feels like nothing on my skin. So this is like my new favorite thing. It's in my cart. It's in my cart, ready to be checked out. I think I'm gonna get it during the VAB sale coming up at the beginning of November. It's definitely my favorite complexion product, along with the HD powder foundation from Makeup Forever. Amazing, you guys. I highly, highly recommend it. If you try it already, let me know in the comment section what you think of it. I'm pretty sure everyone already tried it, so let me know. And that's it for this video. I am going to keep wearing it and I will update you if anything changes. If you enjoy this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell notification button so you don't miss out on my future uploads. You can tell I'm tired, yeah. Okay, I will go shower now, take this off, and enjoy the evening. I hope you do the same. Until next time, don't flop.